going to be adjusting Dylan in his mid-back because he's experiencing a lot of rib and shoulder irritation. So when we adjust him in that area, he just feels a lot of relief. So let's turn you this way, Dylan. And then we're going to go right there. We got that segment that needs to get adjusted. And we have to do a little sit up here. Get a big sit up here. Good. Go back down. Okay. Okay. All right. Good. All right. How's that doing? Much better. Good. Yeah. There we go. And we're going to do this side. All right, here we go. So we're locating the vertebrae that needs to get adjusted, and then we're going to go in and adjust it right now. Good. All righty, excellent. And another one. There we go. Okay. We're going to get that vertebrae when we turn bend on the other side. Okay, let's go ahead and lay on your right side. Bends lower back. Yeah. There we go. Good. And then hit his neck. Ben just loves his neck adjustments. Absolutely. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Good adjustment. Okay. Now we're going to get that other vertebrae, the one in his middle back. And use this board. So let's get you all up there then. Good. Let's go ahead and cross your arms. Bring it over this way. Bring up that knee there. Good. Roll you this way. Getting that other one that got stuck.